because I am granted joy. And when one envisions his pleasure, it is a good and solid reason for him to be kinder and merrier. Now I have joy, and I am merry, and am restored in my worth, and I shall never turn elsewhere, nor shall I covet other people's conquests, because now I know for sure that he is wise who waits, and that he is a fool who loses his patience. Time I was in pain and oblivious to what happened to me, and I was never so fast asleep that I couldn't wake up for fear. But now I see and judge and feel that that torment is over, and I don't ever want to be back to it. Very much congratulate all those whom I have listened to, because I am back to my joy. And praises be both to God and to them who have their merit and their meed. And whatever I went about saying, I rest and am satisfied there. And since I am exalted, I shan't believe any slanderer. I never was so far from love, as much as I am safe and healed now. Even those wiser than me are wrong, because I well know for sure that a perfect love doesn't betray anyone. Now let me tell you something. I better go to bed dressed, the naked under the covers, and I can produce as evidence the night I was assaulted. I shall always grieve about it, because they went away laughing like that, while I still sigh and grab quiet about it, while I still sigh and repine about